Importance of financial and income verification, which I think is one of the most important verifications in the BGV process when a company or an HR professional is hiring any candidate for senior or good job roles. Right, so it is to verify a candidate's earning and financial stability. It includes salary slip verification, bank statement checks, details, and ITR tax return forms 16 check and the credit score. This helps companies confirm whether the candidate has real income and financial background or whether he's telling the truth about his financial stability. It is widely used in the banking sector, in fintech for risk analysis, and corporate training, like I said, for hiring senior management positions. Now, let me take you through the main points of how this is carried in different subtopics. Salary slip verification. Salary slip verification is the process of checking whether a candidate's salary details are real and accurate. First, the candidate provides the recent salary slips of his organization. Then, details like company name, salary amount, employee name, and all the data associated are checked. The format and structure of the salary slip are verified to detect any fake or edited documents, because nowadays a lot of tools are there in AI to actually create salary slips. You instruct what you want the AI to help you with, and they create a fake salary slip with all fake information. So these things are now on a rise. So employers must validate whether the salary information is correct or not. Bank statement check is the process of verifying a candidate's financial transactions and income. First, the candidate provides the recent bank statements, usually for the last 3 to 6 months, because that is the average period of time that companies use to validate this information. Then details like account holder's name, credits, and transaction patterns are checked. The BGV agency verifies whether the salary mentioned in the salary slip is actually the salary that he was getting or drawing from the company based on the gross and the net income. Any mismatch, like I said, is a red flag and an immediate risk. ITR Form 16 check is the process of verifying a candidate's income and tax details, which is so important for a new hire. First, the candidate provides income tax return or Form 16 documents. Then details like name, PAN, employer, and income are checked regularly and carefully. The BGV agency verifies these documents through the income tax portal or trusted verification system. PAN number is also matched. Income details are compared with salary slips and bank statements for accuracy. And like I said before, any mismatch is a big red flag. Now, what is the CIBIL or the credit score? Now, CIBIL credit score check is the process of verifying a candidate's financial behavior and credit history. First, the candidate provides consent and basic details like his personal account number. Then, the BGV agency accesses his credit records through the authorized bureaus like CIBIL. The report shows loan history, repayment behavior, and his credit score. A good score indicates responsible financial behavior. Details are checked for delays or fraud patterns. Now, like before, what is the map over here? Always start by implementing a structured financial verification process for every candidate. Always verify salary slips, bank account statements, past employment salary slips, and the tax return forms and credit scores. Cross-check income details with the actual bank credits. Apply risk-based checks for sensitive and important roles like finance and operations. maintain correct and proper records, and ensure with data privacy laws, train your HR team and use digital tools for accurate reading and update on a constant level, because a strong system helps to prevent fraud and ensures financial, reliable hiring decisions. As of now, you got to know about the basic standard information about the background verification process. If you would like to know more and advanced information, then there are 3 ways to learn that advanced information. Number 1, you can either buy the book, which is the self-learning. Number 2, you can either buy the book plus the recorded video course, or there is another option, which is the book, recorded course, and live industry expert solutions, case study based approach. Any of these 3 methods, enroll today or click on the link given below.